Hello and welcome to today's video. Hope you're doing well. Today we are unboxing the RAYMARINE Axiom 9. Let's get to it. So I'd like to say thank you very much to RAYMARINE for getting this out to us. This is not a sponsored video though, by the way. We have paid for these items with our own money, but we love RAYMARINE stuff and we will support them as much as possible. So let's get into it. First of all, instead of ripping the box, we open it up to a box inside. So, two boxes inside. Which one do we open first? Let's go this one. So in this box we have the transducer and all the fittings to go with. The wire is connected already. And that's what we have. Look at the size of that. So this basically, pretend this is your transom. This gets attached to the transom just under the water line and it gives all the information that you need back to the chart plotter itself. Very nice. So what else do you get in this box? You get fittings, bolts, the actual bracket that goes onto the transom itself, a neat where the wire goes through the transom. This is adhered over the top to make it just look very neat, basically. Very nice. And screws and clips. So that's box number one. Here we have the other box. Where does it open? Ah, that away. So straight away we got a little flap, and we have lighthouse charts, RAYMARINE's own charts. These are. This is a little SD card that plugs straight into the chart plotter itself. Very cool. And of course, in the top of the box, we have the 9-inch chart plotter. Yes, let me take the bottom off, the cover off. Comes with the cover as standard. Look at that. Nice and neat, nice and neat. On the back, you have all your connectors. And on the side, this is if you want to put a dash mount on, to put it on top of the console. Now we will be flush mounting it into the console itself. Cannot wait. Underneath that, instructions, cover, sticky mounts and gasket for flush mounting, which we will be using. And then underneath we have link and data cables. More of them, and then other fittings such as the bracket for if you do want to mount it on top of the console itself. So that is the RAYMARINE Axiom 9-inch. Pretty cool stuff, cannot wait to install this onto the boat. Obviously we'll show you videos, and yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. Really do appreciate you coming along and support us. Please like and subscribe this video, and also have a look on the website challengebritain.uk and at Challenge Britain on all social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it, we're probably on there, and we keep updating as much as we possibly can. But for now, I'm going to cuddle all of this. Bye. Oh, if you've made it this far and you do like this type of video, please leave a comment below what you would like to see unboxed next. I'm thinking maybe an Icom Radio. Why not? Let me know. Bye.